I won't make it easy for you now.
All right, so we.
They will perform it inside
I think they're on the main stage. So I don't know where they have the lineup to get in. You guys selling tickets here? Or?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you go.
Yeah,
just go here.
Yeah.
All right. All right. 200. Yeah. All right. Let's go. Let's go. What do we do with these? You put them on here?
Short drinks inside.
That's for the drink.
Yeah.
All right. We'll stick it in there. I got it. I got it. All right. So. All right.
Bye-bye.
All right, so there's a security checkpoint. Yeah, mine is here. Here. All right, so they charge 300 pesos. And don't know, but our friends from the Friction Band are gonna play here tonight. It is sure loud enough down here. But it's kind of fun how they do this. They put out tables, they put out these tables, serving food, all kinds of stuff. And did I give you the ticket? What do we got here? Like, oh, chicken, fried chicken. All right, that's fried chicken. We eat that every day. And San Miguel breweries are here. 0-calorie beer. San Mig Zero looks like a Corona bottle. And then the famous Red Horse, which is most sold beer in Philippines, I think. At least among Filipinos. Oops, sorry.
Salamat po.
All right. All right, so yeah, so the San Mig breweries are sponsoring this event, I think. And I don't know if you can hear us. It is loud. But we're right outside the casino. And we're going to go walk down here and check out a few things. Yeah, we are here. We're here kind of early. So we don't have a whole lot of people here. Later on tonight, I remember last time I was. Yeah. All right. So even a cigarette company are in here. with the announcement, government warning, cigarette smoking is dangerous to your health. Fortune, it's a Philippine-made cigarettes, I think. There you have some seafood restaurants. There's plenty of military guys in here, guards. Yeah, so you have shakies here, you have a lot of that, you have the fire department here. All right. Police department. Angeles City Police Offices. So there's a command post here, I guess. It is going to be, I don't know, people said there's 100,000, 200,000 people going to be here, so it's going to be quite a bit.
Tigtigan Terakan Keng Dalan.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, JD, the fire spinner. Thank you.
Alright, so we just claimed our one free drink on the entrance. So, send me.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
All right. So they will do the national anthem. All right. So we are going to try to walk down a little bit and see if we can't get away from the noise. But we are walking from one noise to the other. All right. So this is the Globe stage. Globe is for everybody that live here. You know what it is, but it's basically a communications company. All right, down there you have pure gold in the middle of things. Shawarma.
I can't believe that you are mine. Love's a gun and baby, you're my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high, you're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one.
It's only for 100 grams, it's 250 pesos.
Yeah, no, I just ate. Maybe we come back a little later.
Oh.
You'll be here tonight, right?
Yes, sir, all night.
Yeah. But it's looks like a big chicken leg.
Yes, sir. It's like a big chicken leg, but it's baka.
Yeah. It looks like a big chicken leg, but it's actually beef.
Guys, focus! Sa team, bigay sa team. Guys, move!
It's always sweet with friends and San Miguel flavored beer. May refreshing apple and lemon flavors with just the right beer buzz. San Miguel flavored, made with sweet.
Sa libo-libong okasyon natin pinagsamahan. Natutunan ko na ang tulong ng kaibigan.
Ha?
Susumpa kahit kailan. Walang iwanan.
Yeah. And outside here is plenty of vendors as well. barbecue, all kinds of stuff. They're selling a lot of stuff. All right, so let's take a walk up to Walking Street, see if the motorcycles are still there.